Hello, this is Kelly Scholl at OSSE, a member of the Office of Research Analysis and Reporting, here to talk to you a little bit more about using and customizing the student data tool. This short snippet will be talking about connecting forms to the worksheet. And the worksheet being that big student dashboard. So now that we've successfully copied over and renamed each of our input forms in the student data tool, we need to get these input forms to talk to the student data tool so that it can do all the cool things we want it to. So to sort that out, go ahead and click into one of the input forms. Then you're going to go ahead and navigate over to responses. Once people have used this form, this will be populated with a bunch of information about responses. What we want to do now is we want to tell this form to talk to the spreadsheet. So we're going to go ahead and click on this green square. And instead of creating a new spreadsheet with the form, we want to select an existing spreadsheet. So go ahead and click select. And the next thing it will do is that will ask you which form this should talk to. So we want it to talk to the sample student data tool. So we're going to select that. The tool will then pop up, and we can see here that it's going to be named Form Responses 10. Of course, to make it more clear for ourselves and to make it possible for this form to interact with the formulas in the other summary sheets, we want to rename this Educator Input. And we want to be really careful about the way that we are renaming these. We want to use Educator Input, Family Input, Student Input, and Service Tracker. And we have to use these names exactly so that these sheets will know to interact with the formulas in these other summary sheets, like the summary dashboard, the student dashboard, and the student and family needs identified. Once you've done that, I like to drag this all the way over to the end just to sort of make it clear, but it's really up to your preference. As folks fill out the form, all of the responses will be auto-populated in this sheet so you can read each response. Additionally, as responses are submitted, you will see sort of summary statistics and interesting aggregate information right here in the form under responses. So I'll show that one more time on one more form. I'm going to go ahead and go into the family input form, navigate over to responses, click on this green square, move it into a select existing spreadsheet, and then we're going to select our sample student tool, which for these purposes called the webinar sample student tool, but which you might have renamed differently. Select that. Go ahead and check that it is fed into the student data tool as expected. And then we are going to rename the sheet. And like I said, oops. That wasn't supposed to happen. I think I moved too quickly for Google. So I will try again. And we're going to repeat that with the service tracker and with the student input. And at that point, all of our forms will be talking to our dashboard. So thank you for listening in. I'll record a few more of these tidbits on how to use your form. If you would like more information on the tools and professional development that OSSE is offering, go ahead and check out our Serving Students with Disabilities During Periods of Remote or Blended Learning webpage. Thank you.